Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live nearby.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
What are you studying?
I'm studying computer science.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What time is it?
It's almost 3 o'clock.
What day is it today?
It's Wednesday today.
What's the date today?
It's November 12th.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Are you busy right now?
Not really, what's up?
What's your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your cat's name?
Her name is Luna.
How old is she?
She's 3 years old.
Are you hungry?
A little, yes.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe pizza or sushi.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple dishes.
What's your favorite food?
I love curry.
Do you like spicy food?
Not too spicy.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
How do you take your coffee?
With milk and no sugar.
Do you like tea?
Yes, especially green tea.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake.
Do you like ice cream?
Of course everyone does.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually hang out with friends.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
What's your favorite movie?
Interstellar is my favorite.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and jazz.
Can you play an instrument?
I can play a little guitar.
Do you sing?
Only in the shower.
Do you dance?
Sometimes at parties.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read at night.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly novels and travel books.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
Are you good at it?
Not really, but I enjoy it.
Do you go to the gym?
Sometimes when I have time.
Do you like running?
Only when it's cool outside.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I love the mountains.
Beach or mountains?
I like both.
Do you like camping?
Yes, it's fun with friends.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you play football?
No, but I watch football.
Do you like traveling?
I love traveling.
Where have you been?
I've been to Japan and France.
Which country did you like best?
France was my favorite.
Do you like flying?
Yes, but long flights are tiring.
Have you been to the beach recently?
Yes, last summer.
Do you like big cities?
Yes, big cities are exciting.
Do you prefer the countryside?
Yes, it's peaceful in the countryside.
Have you ever been to New York?
Not yet, but I want to go.
Do you travel alone or with friends?
Usually with friends.
What's your dream destination?
Switzerland is my dream place.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I shop online often.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy books and accessories.
Do you like fashion?
Yes, I follow fashion trends.
What's your favorite color to wear?
Black looks good on me.
Do you wear makeup?
Just a little every day.
Do you like perfumes?
Yes, I like fresh scents.
Do you like jewelry?
Yes, I like simple jewelry.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I wear glasses for reading.
Do you prefer gold or silver?
Silver looks better on me.
Are you tired?
A little. I need coffee.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
What time do you wake up?
Around 7 in the morning.
Do you take naps?
Sometimes I take naps.
Do you dream often?
Yes, I dream often.
Do you have a busy day today?
Yes, I have many meetings.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free after lunch.
Do you want to hang out?
Sure, that sounds great.
Can I call you later?
Of course you can.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-2347.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like rain.
Do you like snow?
Only when I don't have to work.
What's your favorite season?
Spring is my favorite season.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer for the beach.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it's very cold today.
Is it sunny outside?
No, it's cloudy outside.
Do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, I check it every morning.
Do you like windy days?
Not really, it messes my hair.
Do you like thunderstorms?
Only when I'm inside.
Do you like coffee shops?
Yes, I love coffee shops.
Do you go often?
Every weekend.
What do you order?
I usually order a latte.
Do you work in cafes?
Yes, sometimes with my laptop.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I like meeting new people.
Are you shy?
A little at first.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, I miss them a lot.
How often do you call them?
Every weekend.
What makes you happy?
Good food and good company make me happy.